Welcome back, explorers, to Reaby the Learning Lab. Today at the market, we've run into a problem. We don't have enough to take away. Before we get started, here's what we're learning today. Subtracting 3-digit numbers with regrouping. What to do when we don't have enough. Borrowing from the next place. And solving step by step. If we can't subtract, then we regroup. Let's subtract 432 minus 158. Step 1, subtract the ones. 2 ones minus 8 ones equals... We can't do that, we don't have enough ones, so we regroup. We take one 10 and turn it into 10 ones. Now we have 2 10s and 12 ones. Now we can subtract. 12 ones minus 8 ones equals 4 ones. Step 2, subtract the 10s. 2 10s minus 5 10s equals... We can't do that, we don't have enough 10s, so we regroup. We take 100 and turn it into 10 10s. Now we have 3 hundreds and 12 10s. Now we can subtract. 12 10s minus 5 10s equals 7 10s. Step 3, subtract the hundreds. 300 minus 100 equals 200. So the answer is 274. Let's do another one. Let's subtract 523 minus 246. Step 1, subtract the ones. 3 ones minus 6 ones equals... We can't do that, we don't have enough ones, so we regroup. We take one 10 and turn it into 10 ones. Now we have 1 10 and 13 ones. Now we can subtract. 13 ones minus 6 ones equals 7 ones. Step 2, subtract the 10s. 1 10 minus 4 10s equals... We can't do that, we don't have enough 10s, so we regroup. We take 100 and turn it into 10 10s. Now we have 411 10s. Now we can subtract. 11 10s minus 4 10s equals 7 10s. Step 3, subtract the hundreds. 400 minus 200 equals 200. So the answer is 277. Let's sing the borrowing song.
Not enough, don't be stuck. Borrow from the next big chunk. Take a 10 and break it down. Now subtract and work it out. No more 10s, go next door. Borrow hundreds, then some more. Now your 10s can help you see. Borrowing works easily.
Not enough? Borrow 1, break it down. Now we're done. Your turn, explorers. Challenge 1. What's 521 minus 193? Correct, 328. Challenge 2. What's 443 minus 165? Correct, 278. Challenge 3. What's 612 minus 234? Correct, 378. Let's review what we learned today. You subtracted 3-digit numbers with regrouping. You understood what to do when we don't have enough. You borrowed from the next place, and you solved step by step. Great job. For mastering subtraction with regrouping, you earned the Borrowing Boss badge. Amazing work! Next time, we'll mix addition and subtraction and solve real problems. See you in Lesson 9. Bye, explorers!